This is Deck the Hall, arranged by Wendy Stevens. This is a very fun version of this familiar Christmas carol, complete with 3 sweeping glissandos that go down the keys. I have a secret weapon for dealing with these glissandos. You'll see how those get played. I learned this from Wendy Stevens herself. So thank you, Wendy, for this really good idea. I don't know if you'll be able to see the entire glissando because it covers almost the entire keyboard. But let's give it a try. 1, 2, here we go. All right, so I know you're going to have fun learning this piece. A few things that will help you in your practice time. The first 2 lines form the introduction of the piece. Notice how it is 4 notes stepping up in the right hand, and just these repeated G's in the left hand in between. And then your right hand goes up to the next higher D and repeats the same 4 keys, and then goes up to the next higher D and almost repeats the same. And here's where it changes after finger 3 on F. This is 2 F's above middle C way up here. Then finger 4 goes to that F sharp, finger 5 on the G, and then back and forth G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, G, G. And then you begin the glissando, which is from the same G. It doesn't look like the same G, but because this is an octave higher, they're actually the same exact key. So you take your index card, which you would have over here, and you press it down. It doesn't have to be exactly on the G. Just get it near that G and just drag that index card smoothly. Take your time as you go down all the way down to the lowest G, and you're going to be waiting there with your left hand, finger 3, to play that lowest G. Have your damper pedal down throughout that measure. It's just going to all make this big wall of sound going down. And then hold that pedal until your hands get prepared for the next measure. Take your time. Don't rush. Just get there as quickly as you can. Notice your finger numbers in your position, and then lift off your pedal and take it from there. Watch the notes as they go back and forth between the hands. Learn this nice and slow and steady. Count it out. Lots of crisp staccato sounds. Right here, there's a little crossover. C to B to C. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 1. Just bounce right over. Repeat those 2 lines right back to measure 10. Play that 2 times in a row. And then you'll go on to the next part. Play legato. Hold the left hand tied notes. So you have the right bounce, bounce, ba bum, 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 bum. And you're just going to hold that G in the left hand all the way through. Then the melody gets played between the hands. Da da dum, bum, 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 bum. boom. And we see the same little G, F sharp pattern that we had in the intro. Now it's on treble G. And then the same exact glissando that we played at the beginning, from G, sweeping down to the lowest G, damper pedal, keep the pedal down, prepare the hands, then lift the pedal and continue playing. Then watch here, there's a little, finally, a little step up to the A's. Move your right hand finger up to that E so you can reach to A. And then a little hands together playing, back and forth, getting soft, soft. This little step right back down to that C. And now this glissando is different. This one's going from G, well, the same G, but it's a little bit different because you're going to go down to C's instead of to a G. So you're going to sweep from the same G all the way down, and then you're going to throw that index card away. You're going to have your left hand ready on the lowest C. The right hand will stop here at the next to lowest C, and you'll get the hands there as quickly as you can, and then lift off that pedal as you play staccato on the two lowest C's 5 times in a row. Very staccato, very strong accent on each one. All right, have fun with this one. Give it lots of energy and lots of enthusiasm.